Alright guys, today we're doing something a little different. There is a YouTuber out there, he's not a big YouTuber or nothing, but he's someone that I can appreciate because in his spare time, he uses his equipment and things of that nature to help veterans, and myself being a veteran, I appreciate that. He's just volunteering his time and giving back. And I was trying to wonder what I could do for the man. It's hot out there, guys. And so he has a Rippa R10 little mini X, and so I thought what I can do is I can for him a cup holder. I've made one for mine, and so I reached out and I was like, hey, tell me the size of your canopy bars, right? He sent me some measurements and I was like, oh, I'm going to confirm this with what I can find on the internet. Okay guys, so one of the things I found interesting about this was I wanted to see if I couldn't just find the actual size. So I went to Rippa. I chose the US market thinking, you know, United States. If you go to the mini excavator, the R10, these are not necessarily, there is English writing, yes, but there's so much Chinese, Japanese, I'm assuming Chinese is a Chinese manufacturer, but we are looking for the canopy. I see part of it there. There's the canopy. So D, whatever that is what we're looking for. Oh, D ceiling. Interesting. So it's both. I wonder if you can filter for just the English version. Let's see here. Substructure. Let me know if you guys see the canopy. It says, on the Rippa, the frame for the cup holder looks pretty similar. I measured it with some cheap set of calipers, and the upper tube is 32.9 millimeters, and the horizontal tube is 31.2. I find it weird that they're 1 millimeter difference. That's probably just the calipers that are creating that difference. The square tube is about 107 millimeters above the horizontal rail before it turns into the round bar. So we'll increase this to 110 just to be safe, give ourselves like 3 extra millimeters, and then we'll do, let's see, what is that, 63, 64, so we'll do 32, we'll just do 32 millimeters for the, yep, that's what we'll do. Alright guys. Alright. So this is the cup holder that is on my ME20, and it works pretty well. I have noticed that these clamps are not stretched out or too loose, but they are looser than when I printed it initially. And I think some of that can be mitigated with just the infill type, wall strength, things of that nature whenever we print. So we'll adjust the settings for that appropriately. I like that it's 2 different prints. However, I do want to do, so this is based off, this inner diameter is based off of my drink I like to drink. I think it's going to be too big for whatever he's drinking. He's probably going to drink a pop or a glass of water or something, and it's not going to be that big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an insert additionally that he can put in here that will you know, take up the extra space. That's what we'll do. Oh. Alright guys, I just wanted to say, while we're watching this print, go check out Gimpy's channel. Go see some of the great things he's doing, supporting our veterans out there. And Gimpy, if you see this thing's complete. It's been sent out to you, and I hope you have it in a few days. You guys enjoy, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.